this video, I will show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to tap on your right upper side on the three dots, and then you need to go on the settings side on the first selection. Right after that, it's gonna shows up all these setups in which you need to go on the upper side and select password and security. Then it will shows up these sites in which right down you're gonna find two-factor authentication. And now guys, if you have turned on that site, you're gonna be able to turn it off. But as you can see on my side, I haven't getting yet to turn on that side. This is why I will not be able to turn off, but it is so simple just by clicking on it. Then when you get up right here, right down, you're gonna be able to click on that turn off or cancel two-factor authentication with blue line section like this one, but it will now chase up by continue. It will says cancel or turn off two-factor authentication. You're gonna simply tap on it and then it will turn off that two-factor authentication on Facebook.